The Rigid WD1255 is a versatile tool for most wet-dry cleanup needs. With a large 12-liter capacity drum, this vac provides the power, performance, and durability you expect from Rigid, while meeting all IEC compliance standards. The 1,050-watt motor has been cleaning job sites for decades because no one can do it better. The 360-degree caster wheels improve maneuverability, and the caster feet provide storage for the various accessories, all of which are included with this vac. The 2.1-meter dual-flex locking hose will not pull loose during use, resists collapsing, and adds 180-degree flexibility at both hose ends. And with one quick move, you can lock the hose into the blower port for added versatility. The durable polypropylene drum won't dent or rust, and its large drain makes emptying water easier. The power head quickly lifts off for access to empty the drum or to change the patented quick lock filter that simply snaps on and off for easy cleaning. It's also great for everyday dirt. Power, performance, durability. Rigid.